Hello everyone, this is Charlie from the PennEngineering Singapore office. Today I'm going to talk about stainless steel fasteners used in stainless steel panels. Contrary to some belief, our standard line of 300 series stainless steel fasteners are not suitable to be installed on stainless steel panels. If you have such a requirement, please look at our 400 series stainless steel fasteners or the precipitation hardened series of stainless steel fasteners. They can be found in our website in the SS bulletin or the link below, where you can find all the information that you need in the selection of the fasteners. Per your requirements on the corrosion resistant and depending on your panel's hardness, there are different types of stainless steel fasteners that you can select from. Now, stay tuned for other videos from our team on all other subjects that you may be interested. See you and goodbye.